word is cookie.
Sweet! Miss Keen? I don't spell so good.
Try your best, Mike. Class, begin. Time's up.
Finish!
Now, class, did everyone spell the word cookie?
Yeah!
And how about you, Blus?
I spelled it. What?
Now, Mike, just because you can't spell doesn't mean you can ruin it for Blossom. I think you need a time out.
That Mike Believe is turning out to be one bad dookie. I mean cookie. One bad cookie.
Class, are we ready for story time?
Yeah!
This story is a fairy tale, and I think you'll like it very much. It's called Little Red Riding Hood. Mike!
Mike didn't do it. I saw the chair move all by itself. Bubbles, you and your imagination. Sometimes you just take it too far. Oh, told ya.
Look, it's floating by itself.
It's a ghost. It's a witch. No, it's Patches. Isn't it, Mike? Uh-huh. Look.
Girls, you have to do something. He's disrupting the classroom.
Don't worry, Miss Keen. We'll get him. Look, there he is. I'll get him. What? Look over there. He's missing out the coal grab. My turn. Blossom, are you okay? You tripped me. Seriously. Look. Come on, Patches. I can't see anything. Bubbles.
Girls, are you okay?
Miss Keen, he's running on the chalkboard again.
Girls, what are we going to do? We can't even see him.
Can't Mike just make him go away? I already tried. I'm sorry. I didn't know he would be evil. Well, girls, I imagine we finally met our match. Bubbles, that's it. We have to use our imaginations. We need to think up a good imaginary friend to combat the evil Patches. I know the perfect friend for the job. No way. Nobody likes that goose jerk. This imaginary friend has to be different. This friend has to be strong and big. It has to be smart. I want it to be a bunny. It has to be vicious. It can be strong but not vicious. It should be a scientist. Well, I want it to be cute with a pretty dress and combat boots. Fine, fine, fine. Let's do it. Hello, Patches. Nice to finally see you.
Hey guys! Who are you?
Your worst imagination. Thanks. You're cool. You made me that way. Well, I better go. Wait! I'm gonna miss you. Don't worry, Bubbles. I'll still be in your imagination, hanging out with